Now, are you able to hear me? Someone join. Are you able to hear me right now? Hello? Great. Great, Sriram. So, what about other guys? Let's wait for two more guys actually. Who's that? Maharasi and Prakash also. Okay. Sorry, Sriram, I was in different call, so I couldn't pick up your call. Sorry for that. Okay, we'll wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, 2 more minutes we'll wait and later we'll start. Today we are going to discuss about the Java interview questions. Okay. Great. Prakash joined. Prakash, have you joined? Maharasi, have you joined? If yes, then we can start. Okay, then. What about Prakash? Okay, then. Let's start directly. Okay. Okay, then. See, we studied so many different concepts, right? In this session, we talked about so many different sessions, right? In this Java sessions. So whatever the topic we saw, we talked about like classes and object. What is the static variable? What it is, constructor, and we talked about arrays, inheritance, right? We talked about abstract class interface and encapsulation concept. Also, we saw that polymorphism. Also, we saw that. We talked about what is that string handling as well, file handling and collections, exception handling and file handling, right? So using this only, the interview question mostly will be coming. Okay, so whatever the concept we saw in the previous video, based on that only, I'm the interview, the real time interview will be there. At the same time, I am also going to discuss about some of the interview questions right now. Okay, let us go there. Easy way of clearing the interview, I will explain that. Okay, first question is, whenever you are going to the interview, these kind of questions they will ask. Okay, what is the questions is they will ask here means count the character in the particular string. Okay, let me open the notepad. Simply what they will say, they will give some kind of string. Okay, for example, here is I'm giving the string is Tirunelveli to Canada. Tirunelveli to Canada. They are saying this. The interviewer they will ask, hey, can you write a program to character count? If you say this character count means what you will do generally, if it is a physically means we can count it, right? What you will do, 1 2 3 4 something, you will count it. But programmatically we need to count it. How to do it programmatically? That is what we are going to talk about. This program also we can do it with the help of several ways, right? We can do it in several ways. In this in this program, how we are going to count the character means using this string handling and some kind of looping statement and decision making statement. So we already studied about this one, right? What in by string handling, what in by looping statement, what are the decision making statement? We already know. String handling, we saw some couple of methods. Looping statement, what is a for loop, while loop, do while loop, right? Enhanced for loop, right? Or legacy for loop. Decision making statement, if statement, else statement, switch case, right? So we talked about that. We already talked about in the previous videos. Using that only we are going to do. Okay, how it is, how to count the character. I don't want to go in the technical directly. First of all, how we need to understand this one means, okay, how many character in this particular, how many character in this particular, in the particular string. Okay, character count. That is what we are talking about, the character count. What is a character count? Means repeating character count. That's what we are going to look for, that. Repeating. What is repeating actually? Assume that actually A. A is how many times it is repeating this particular string. What in the string actually? String S is equal to Tirunelveli to Canada. How many times the A is repeating actually? They will give the answer. How many times A is repeating? Physically, if you see that, you can find it, right? Tirunelveli, there is no A. Here also no A. Where is the A starting? 1, 2, 3. If we run this program, it will say this, answer is number of characters repeating. A is repeating is, what is that? 3 times it is repeating. A is repeating for 3 times. But how to write the program? We need to put the logic, right? You need to put the logic, then you need to think about that. Let's go to the layman level language, okay? You are working in a railway department. Assume that actually you are working in the railway department, okay? How the railway department actually? Railway department, you are working as something electricians. Assume this. You are work in the railway. You are working as a electricians. What is electricians? Electrician, they will do some kind of repairing work, everything they will do. Okay, if unnecessary any kind of light is on in the light, they will, unnecessary. If it is rail is, what is that, is not moving, that is in the shed. Okay, rail, it is in shed. It is not moving. Okay, then what you will do? Simply electrician, they will go, and if there is any compartment, the fan or fan is on, they are going to switch off it. That is what their duty. Okay, what they will do? How the rail will be there actually? First compartment, second compartment, third compartment. It will go like how we will do that in the railway? Sleeper 1, right? Sleeper 1, sleeper 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? This is a railway compartment, right? Railway box, the compartment, it will be like this. As a electrician, what you will do? You will go here. Okay, you will go to the first compartment. You will look for that. Hey, there is a seat, right? One compartment having the 72 seats. You will go there. Hey, is there any light on or fan on? No. Okay. And next you will go there. Is there anything on? Next you will go there. What you are doing actually? You are looping. Within the first compartment, if any fan is on, means what you will do? You will switch off it. Okay. What is your target? You are to switch off the fan. Okay, in the first compartment, assume that actually 2 fans are on. What you will do? You off the 2 fans. Okay. Then you are going to the second compartment. What you will do? Again, you will check it. There is no fan is on. You will go to the third compartment. Right? First compartment, 2 fan is on. Second compartment, none of the fan is on. Everyone is off. Third compartment, nothing. Fourth compartment, 1 fan is on. Fifth compartment, 0. Sixth compartment, 1 fan is on. You are switching off. Again 0. Again 0. Again 0. So totally, how many fan is on? 4 fan is on. So how many fan the electrician is switched off? 4 fans switched off. He has to give the report to who's that? To the manager. Sir, today I checked this particular, Tirunelveli to Mumbai Express. In this particular Mumbai Express, I checked the 9 compartment. The first compartment having the 2 fan is on. I switched off it. Fourth compartment, the 1 fan is on. I switched off it. Sixth compartment, 1 fan is on. Switched off it. Remaining everything is none of the fan is on. So totally I switched off 4 fan. So what do you mean by that actually? It's a layman level language. What it is, he is repeating that actually. The fan is, it is on. Repeatedly happening in the every compartment. Similarly, okay, what it is doing actually, similarly, in the Tirunelveli to Canada string, okay, where is the A is repeating? A is repeating, it's checking the first one. Is it happening? No. Second one. Is it A? No. Is it A? No. No, 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 no. Finally it is coming. Is it A? Yes. Mark it as 1. Next is no. Next is mark it as 2. Next is no. Next is mark it as 3. So totally, how many characters repeating? 3 characters repeating. So first of all, what you are taking? You are taking what is your targeted character? That is nothing but A. Then what you are doing? You are checking one by one. What do you mean by one by one? Character by character. How to check it character by character? That's what we are going to talk about there. Okay. So what does this program means? This program is character repeat count. Okay. Instead of I can say this, it's a one character. Whatever the character, I'm taking only one character. That is A. That character in the particular string, how many times it is repeating? That is what the interview questions. Okay. First of all, how to start the program? Take the input. Your interviewer will give that. Well, Tirunelveli Canada. Hey, this is a string. Okay, what is a targeted character? That is nothing but character. Target character is equal to A. Okay. Again, one more is why you are defining this 11 line integer count is equal to 0, because you have to count it, right? You have to count it. A, okay, A first position, A is present or not? No, 0. Again 0, again 0. Then it will go to whenever A is coming, whenever this position is coming, your value will be, count will be 1. Whenever this coming, count is 2. Whenever it's coming, count is 3. How this movement is keep happening? That is looping. Because I'm repeatedly doing how the electrician is entering into the first compartment. He is checking the first 6 seats. No. He will go to the second 6 seats. No. What he is doing? He is looping. He is looping. Right? Similarly here also looping. Looping that. How the looping is happening? Where is the looping starting from? It is starting from 0 onwards. What do you mean by 0? This is a string, right? So what you have to do? You have to start from here to. What is the 0th position? 0th position, that is T. What is the first position? That is I. What is the second position? That is R. What is the third position? U. It will keep going on. So what you have to do? What is the first? Because your characters, what is that? My character is A. I want to compare in the string. How to get the particular string? Because how to get the particular string, the particular T, how to get it actually? Because I want to compare it. A is here because interviewer told that, hey, what is in? I can give only the input. What is input? Interviewer will give Tirunelveli to Canada. A, how many times repeating? That is what the question he will ask. You have to write the program. How to write the program? Your A, you have to compare your A with the Tirunelveli to Canada. So A with the first character, A with the second character, A with the third character, A with the fourth character. How to get the character? We already studied in the string handling. Char at. What do you mean by char at? We already studied, right? Char at method returns the character at the specified position. Char at. Char at of. What is that? 0. What do you mean by char at of 0 here is? What is this? Yes dot. Assume that actually this is the input is they are giving as a input. Okay. Input dot string dot. Okay. This is a string, right? String variable. Input dot caret of 0. What is the caret of 0? It will return T. That is what it is doing here. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to compare with your string. What is your target string? Your target character is, so not string, okay, target character. Your target character is A. So you have to compare it. Your target character, okay, double equal to your, what is that? Your input character of this one. Is it equal or not? Is it not equal? What is that actually? This is A. This is T. Is both are equal? It is not equal. If it is equal, then only it will go inside. Right? If it is equal, then only you can take this one. Right? I'm looking for A only, but it is T. No, I do not go inside. That's for the program. Okay. If I have, the character is matching with my character means no problem. Put the count as 1. If the character is not matching with my expected character, count is 0. That is what the logic here. How I am doing here is the looping purposes, because I have to compare it, right, from here to here, right? That is what I did. I used a looping statement. For where do I need to start? I had to start from 0 onwards. Why 0? My character, because what a string is starting from 0 onwards. So that's what I put it here is, what is that? Integer I is equal to 0. I less than input dot length. What is the length of this particular character? Okay, I'll check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what is that actually? 20. So now it will check 0 less than 20. Right? 0 less than 20. Now what will happen? Condition is true. It will go here. What is this? Input dot caret of I. What is the I value? 0. Input dot caret of 0. What is caret of 0? It will return T. What is the target character? What is the character entry tool to verify whether it is repeating or not? A. What is the decision making statement is saying? Whether it is true or not. Is it true or not? Is it true? No, boss, it is false. If it is true means, then what it will do? It will go inside. If it is true means it will go to inside and increase the count. Right now it is false. So then what will it go in here? Line number 16 will be executed? No. Then what will happen? I value will be incremented. What is I value? I value will be 1. So next is 1 less than 20. Condition is true or not? Condition is true. Now again it will check. Input caret of 1. Double tickled. What is the caret of 1? You already know what in by caret. Caret means it will return the character at the specified index. What is index? This is my index. First index. What is the character it will be returning? It will return I. I double equal to A. I and A is both are same? No. It's a different character. Will it go inside? No. Then it will go to the, again the I value will be incremented. 3, sorry, 2. Then it will go inside. Caret of 2. Caret of 2 means or. Both are same? No. Then it will keep increasing. Then what will happen? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whenever the 15 is coming, caret of 15. What is the caret of 15? It will return A. Now see that it is returning A. So A double equal to A. Both are matching? Yes, it is matching. Then what will happen? It will go inside. What is the count is? Initially the count is 0 initially. Right now what will happen? Count plus plus. What is the operator will do? Count plus plus means count is equal to count plus 0. What is the count is right now? Count plus 0 means it's a, right now it's a 1. Count is equal to count plus 1. So initially count is equal to 0, then plus 0 plus 1, 1. Now what will happen? It will go to the 16th one. It won't go inside. 17th one. What is the 17th one? Again A is coming. It will go. Again, what is the earlier value? Count is equal to count value? 1. 1 plus 1? 2. Then it will go to the 18th one. No. 19th one. It will go inside. What will happen? Count value will be 3. Then finally, what is that? Character. What do you mean target character? A appears how many times? 3 times. This is a simple program. What is the logic we used it here is string handling, decision making, looping statement. That's what we used it. What is the looping statement? The for loop. Why we are using this looping statement? Because we need to start from end of this one. From start to end, to start it is 0, end is length of the string. Okay, to looping purpose, we use this curly braces. To return the to check the character, to fetch the character, we are using the cat method. To compare it, we are using the decision making statement. Then to count it, we use this count variable. Okay, so if in the interview you're asking that, hey, and again you'll feel that bus only for this is applicable for A, whatever, it's general actually. If the interview is saying this E is repeating means you can change it to E. What will happen? E is how many times is E is repeating? Here is 2 times. Output has to come for 2 times. Let's see. See that E repeated for 2 times. Character E appears for 2 times. Okay, team? Are you getting this interview questions? Are you understood this one, team? Hello? Are you understand this one? You have to work out, okay? You have to work out. Yeah, this is very, very important question. Most of the time, always this method is whenever we studied the theoretical part, the carrot method is not effective. But right now it's more effective, right? Simple method, more powerful method. Okay, now let's go for the another one. Another example is count distinct elements. Okay, count distinct element. Okay, you'll feel the write a program to count the number of distinct element. What do you mean by distinct element actually? You'll feel the distinct element means. Okay, what do you mean by distinct element actually? Any guess team? Distinct element means? Sorry, oh, sorry, you don't have that voice, right? Unique element. Yeah, unique element. Unique means it should not be repeated. Repeated element should not be there actually. Okay, this is also we can do it in several ways. Unique means see simple. Okay, I am saying this, boss. Boss, I want distinct or unique. We can call it as. We are saying you are asking me, boss. Can I have pen? I want some different colors of pen. I am asking to Maharasi. Hey Maharasi, can you give some what is that color pens? But I want distinct pen only. She is giving one red color pen. She is giving. I took it. I put it in the pocket. Again, she is giving one yellow color pen. Again, put it. Again, white color pen. I am putting in that. Again, she is giving red color pen. Will I accept? I won't accept it. Why? I am looking for the distinct pen, distinct color pen or unique color pen. Why I am not accepting the red pen? Because the first pen is red pen. Second is yellow. Third is white. Again, I am getting the red pens. I am not looking for the red pen. Push it. Again, she is giving yellow. I don't want this. Why? Because already yellow pen, the second pen is yellow pen. I don't want the yellow again. Then she is giving black pen. Definitely I will accept it. So what is that? What is the unique pen right now? 4 pen. What is that? Red, yellow, white, black. So totally 4 pen, right? Similarly, they gave some kind of array or anything they may give. Array they can give or something string also they can give. Anything they can give. String if they give mean convert into array. Getting. If they give the string means here is in the program is they gave the array. Directly the array. What do you mean by array? You already know. You have to recall it. This concept is okay. What is the concept? How result of this program means using array. Okay, using the array, map, and looping statement. We'll call the example, then later we'll go to the, okay. First of all, what in by array? We already talked about, right? In that, go through the old video. I can repeat it one more time. What in by array? Array is a similar type of data. Similar type of data. Similar type of data. What is a similar type of data? All are is an integer. What is it actually? It's an integer array. Collection of similar type of data. But think about that actually. Here is 1 is there, 2 is there, again 2 is repeating, 3 is there, 4 is there, again 4 is repeating, again 4 is repeating, again 5. So I don't want the repeating element. I don't want the repeating element. I am looking for the unique element. How to find the unique element or distinct element? What is it? What is the distinct element here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to do that? How to find it? There are multiple way. Okay, there are multiple way. Whatever the past one we saw that, with the help of that also we can find it. Okay, carrot also with the help of that. Sorry, similar way. Carrot that way also we can do that. This is also one of the way. Okay, this way is we are using the map, looping statement. Okay, with the help of that we are doing the array. This three concept we are using. You already know what in array. Array is a collection of similar type of element. What is the position of this one? 0th one. First, right? Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. That's what we are. The arrays are starting from 0th onwards. Okay. If you want to loop, it means you can use legacy for loop also, enhanced for loop also. Right now we are using the enhanced for loop. Okay, that's fine. What do you mean by map? Last week we already saw about collections, right? Map is nothing but it's a key and value pair. Key and value. What in by key and value? We already talked about, right? Key is nothing but it's a name. Okay. Name. Name is a key. What is the value? Satish. It's a value. So key and value. It's a map. So what we are doing means I just created to find this unique element. What I did means I just created some kind of map. I just created some kind of map. What is a map? Hash map. Okay. So integer, comma integer. I just created. You will feel that why you created for integer, comma integer. Just for my understanding purpose. Okay. Because my main motto is how many times the particular integer is repeated. How many times the integer is repeated. That is what my motto, my main motto. Okay. Okay. Let me go to that actually. Now, right now is, what is that? Maras is giving the pen. I'm just taking the pen, first color, red pen. What I'm doing, I'm putting in the pocket. I'm first red color pen, I'm accepting this. Again, white color pen, I'm putting in that. Yellow color pen, she's putting that. I'm accepting that. The fourth one is, again, she is giving that red color pen. I am not accepting. How I am rejecting that actually? Physically, I could see that's a red color pen, but programmatically, how can we reject it that one? The duplication stuff is I'm not accepting that. Okay, programmatically, the duplication stuff, right? We are rejecting that. How we are rejecting that? That is nothing but that is a key. In the map, there is a concept called key, right? In the key is it won't accept the duplicate value. Sorry. It won't accept the duplicate key. Listen, map won't accept duplicate key. Getting or getting? Map won't accept duplicate key. See that actually? Now you are trying to add this value 1. Okay, you are trying to add this one into one key. What is the key? Here you're trying to add in the map. What is that? One. And how to add that in a map, how to add the value into the map actually with the help of the put method, right? So I'm creating one map. Okay, so this particular, all whatever the arrays are present here, I'm trying to add it into the particular map. How I'm trying to add it actually? The map dot put off. How to put off actually? With the help of the enhanced for loop. How I'm going to add it? One as a key. This one is a dummy, just add it one. Now second is what I'm going to add it? 2. Okay, what is the value? I'm adding the 1 because every time 1 is the value is adding. Now, third is again I'm trying to add the 2. I'm trying to add the 2. It won't accept. Why it is not accepting? That is a feature of the map. If you attempt to insert a key that is already exists in the map, okay, the new key, okay, that's a new key, right? Whatever the new key will override the existing key. Sorry, the new key will override whatever that actually this stuff is entirely overridden by this one. It means this will be overridden. Whatever the new value, right? This value will override this one. Again, next third one is what you will do? You will do this one. 3, then 1, right? Then 4, then 1. Okay, then you're trying to add the 4 again. What will happen? It will override. Okay, then next one. Then this is a 1. You're trying to add it. What you will do? It will override. Okay, then what is that? 5, 1. So what is the unique element actually? Because these past elements are overridden. These two past elements are overridden. How the overridden is happening? Because of the map concept. What is the map concept is saying? The map key will override with the existing key whenever the duplicate occurs. So all the duplicate stuff, everything will be overridden. So only you will get the unique element. Now, with the help of this size method, okay, if you print it like map.size means what will happen? It will print what is the size? Number of element. 1 element, 2 element, 3 element, 4 element, 5 element. It will print 5. Size method is nothing but how many elements are present. Number of elements are present. Okay, this is the one. So let me run this program. See then. So how many unique elements are present? That is what the question, right? Count the number of distinct or unique elements are present in an array. How we did it actually? With the help of map. Okay. So how this stuff is happening one by one, the iteration with the help of this for loop. So what is the use of this put method? Put method will check, okay, if there is any duplicacy, any duplicate key, then it will override with the existing key. That is what. So how to count it? With the help of the size method, we can count it. So this is a program to count the distinct number of element in the array. Did you understand about this one? Okay. If the interviewer is asking to without using the collection concept, if you know you can do that. Otherwise, leave it. Otherwise, you can tell them that this is a concept, I know that, because they will look for the output. They won't stick with that actually. They will check that programming. But if you're looking for the solutions, it's possible. How to do that? This is an array, right? What you have to do, you have to take this first element. Okay, you have to take the. If you are looking for the logic, I can. Okay, if you are looking for the logic, I can explain right now. Other than collections, what you have to do, you have to take the first element. You have to take the second element. Compare it. Okay, is there any duplicacy? No. Move to the next line. Is there any third? No. One and third element. Any duplication? No. Go to the, is there one and fourth element? Duplication? No. Then again. Then what you have to do? You have to add this element to that. Go to the second element. Okay. Then compare it. Then keep on adding into the array or anything list and you can put it. No issue. It's a kind of comparison. That's all. But I would say this is a very, very easy way. Single line it will happen. Okay. There are some other ways, other, similar examples we have right now. Other similar example also. Okay. Again, if you are, not comfortable with the particular program, tell him the logic, how the comparison is happening. Okay. Don't stick with that actually, or don't say, try to give the answer. Getting or not getting? Try to give that, try to convince him actually. Because they will look for the logic, whether you are able to understand or not. That is the main thing. Okay, at least now give the logic to him and little bit in a syntax as well. Okay. Another example is first repeating character. First repeating character. Please listen carefully. First repeating character. What do you mean by first repeating character actually? I have one string. The string name is Mayandi Ayya. What is this? Mayandi Ayya. What is the first repeating character actually? See that actually M, A, Y, A, something. DI something, right? So this is a string. The question is that they are asking that first repeating character. Okay, first repeating character. How it is possible? First repeating character. Physically, if you see this, what is the character is, repeating? What is the character is repeating here is A only repeating. For example, if you take it as Prakash means, assume this. I'm just putting the character as, Prakash. What will happen? Assume that, okay? A. Assume this actually. What is the first repeating character? This is a 1. Okay, suppose for example, um, assume that actually. What is the first repeating character here is K. So whatever the character is repeating for the first time, bring those. That is also one more interrogation questions. So this one is, we just used with the help of hash map and string handling and for loop statement. So with the help of that, we just to return the program. Let me see that actually. Okay. Okay. Again, the same pen example only. I'm getting the pen. Okay. I'm getting the pen from, okay. Again, getting the pen from Prakash. Prakash is giving one pen. Okay. Prakash is giving one, I'm looking for the unique pen. Prakash is giving the red pen to me. I'm putting in the packet. Again, what is that? Yellow pen he is giving that, putting in the packet. Again, what is that? White color pen he is giving, putting in the packet. Again, he is giving the one more white color. So what is that actually? The white is repeating. So which one is first repeating? The white. So I have to take it and print it. How to do that? That's what we are going to do the program. Okay, fine. the example. What is that actually? This is the input they are giving this Maya and Aya. Okay. What I'm doing actually, I'm I'm declaring one map. What is the map? In the map is I have the generic is I have the two step. One is character, another one is integer. What is this character? Character is a key. Integer is the value. Okay, fine. Now I am going to do looping. How to do the looping actually? To do the looping is we need something, right? What basis you will do the looping? I have to check it on the input. So what I have to do? I have to convert this particular string into array. How to convert into array? Input dot to char array. Input dot to char array. If I put it into, what is the use of this to array method actually? This will convert this particular string into character. Right now it's a single string, right? It's a single string, right? So what will happen? Instead of single string, it will be converting into the character 0, 1, 2. It will go in such a manner. So it will be stored in the 0th position. It will be stored in the first position. It will be stored in the second position. It will keep on going in that 3, 4, 5, 6. It will keep going there actually. Why are converting into the array? Because I have to do check individual elements, because I have to check for each and every element, right? M is there, M is repeating, again M is coming, I have to check it. Again, A is coming. Again A is coming, yes, it is repeating. I have to pull it, push it. That is what I have to do. So for that, what I'm doing means I'm converting this input into char array. Now char array is ready. If it converted into char array means, what is that actually? How many elements I have? Something. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 characters. Okay, how many characters? 14 characters are there. Okay, now I'm going to take one by one. I'm going to take the first character. Okay, what is the first character is M. Okay, the M is, I'm going to check it in the map. What is the map is? The map name is M. Okay, what do you mean map? Map is nothing but a key and value pair, right? Map is nothing but a key and value pair. Initially, my map is empty. I'm taking the first character. I'm checking the map. Hey, this M is already present in your, in this, what is that? In the map? No. If it is not, just add it. How to add it? M, comma, 1. Please understand that actually. What is the use of this line number 17? Contains key. What is the use of this contains key method? Contains key means it will check the particular key is already present or not. Please listen carefully. Map dot. Map means it's an empty map. I didn't have anything. If the map dot contains key means what is that? C means it's a first character. It is taking the first one. This particular character is already present in your map or not? No, boss, it is not. Then will it go to the 18th line? It won't go to the 18th line. What will happen? It will go to the else part. Then else part is what it is doing. It is adding into the your map. Map dot put of C. C means M, comma 1. Done. Then going to the same character A. This is a A, right? Again, it is checking this. Map dot contains key. Hey, your map contains A. No, it is not having the A. Then what will happen? Line number 18 won't be executed. It will go to the line number 21. A. Okay. Then what will happen? What is the key will be? Value will be inserted. Default is 1 only. Okay. Again, you will feel that we need to put 1 always. No, don't put the 1. You can put anything. Again, what will happen? The iteration, the pointer will go to here. A. Now what will happen? Map dot contains key. Map dot contains key means, what is the use of this map dot contains? Contains key. The key is present or not? Okay, what is the character is coming? A contains key. Hey, do we? This is a key. This is a value, right? It's checking. Hey, do we have the key is already present or not? Yes, its key is present. Then immediately it will go. What is that? The line number 18 will be executed. What is that? First repeating character. What is that? Whatever the character. A. A will be printed. Okay. See there. How I am getting the pen and putting into the packet. I'm checking this. Prakash is giving red, put it. Yellow, put it. Black, put it. White, put it. White. Hey, you are giving one more time. Because I already how the map means is my packet. Map means is a packet. Hey, you already gave the white. Again you are putting the white because white is keep white. Just now you gave the last pen is we gave the white pen. Again you are giving the white pen. My packet is already holding the white pen. That's what. Similarly, it will check it. Key is a kind of map is not. It's a kind of your assume that it's a kind of your shirt pocket. You're already putting into the pocket. Again you are giving same white pen when I put it. Again you are giving the white pen. It's a repeating. Don't want put it. So it will go inside. It will print it. What is the use of this return statement? It will exit from the program. Exit the main method. Stop the program. Okay. Any doubt, team? Any doubt about this third inquiry questions? Fourth one, fourth inquiry questions. Okay, write a program to find the key with highest value in the hash map. Highest value in the hash map. You already know about that actually. Okay, the question is write a program to find the key. Listen, key with the highest value. Okay, key with the highest value. Okay, we are going to find that actually. Very simple. Let me go to the layman level language. Okay, I have something like here, Prakash. Assume that Prakash is getting the salary something around 25 lakh. Maharaj is getting the salary is 27 lakh per annum. Dinesh is getting the salary is 22 lakh. Now tell me who is getting more salary? Maharasi. How we are saying this? Because are we looking for this one? We are just comparing this one. We are comparing. Hey, 20. Which one is a greater one? 25 is a greater one. Okay. How we are comparing? We are comparing 25 to 27. Sorry, 27 to 25. 25 is a 27 is a greater one. 27 to 22. 27 is a greater one. So we are just comparing that. Which what is this one? It's a value. It's a key or value. It's a value. So this is the greatest value and pull the respected key. What is the respected key? Maharasi. Okay. How to do that? First, we are comparing the values, taking the greater one, and fetching the respective key. Okay. Now, in this scenario, suppose assume that actually one more guy is okay. One more value also coming. Assume that map dot. That is what my problem. My laptop is too slow. Give me a moment. That's what I put that rate. Satish. Assume that actually. Now tell me who is that? Who is the greatest one? We are comparing 40 to 22. This guy is bigger. 40 to 27. This guy is bigger. 40 to 25. This guy is bigger. So what? Who's the highest salary? This guy. What is the name? Satish. So respect the key. right? Let's go to the program. First of all, what is the technical concept we used it here? Means we used the map, looping statement, decision making statement. Then we used the data type. Okay, let's go by one. First of all, what is the question here is find the key with the highest value in the map. Okay, highest value. Remember the highest value. Highest value means automatically it's going to be integer. The key could be anything. Name, string also could be, or what is that? Character also is possible, right? So I just define the key is hash map. Here is hash map string comma integer. Okay, this is a map I define. How to add the value into the map? In the last video we saw that, right? Map dot put off. What is the key? It's a string one. String is I just added Prakash. Here is integer to 25. Then Maharasi 27. Dinesh 22. What is that? Satish 40. So I have the 4 map. Okay. What is that? Prakash 25. Maharasi 27. Dinesh 22. Satish 40. These are all the stuff I put it. Now, what is our question? We need to get the highest value. First of all, I am taking this first value. Who's that value? The value is 25. I want to check it whether it is Prakash value is greater or not something. But to compare, I need something, right? To compare, I need something. What is a comparison? For that only, there is a data type range. Okay. In the integer type is lowest value. Which one is the lowest value for the integer? Integer data type. People always say this. So, but zero is a lowest value. Not like that actually. In the integer data type, the lowest value is -2 147 483 648. This is the lowest value in the integer data type. So that lowest value, what I am taking here means I am taking in the max value. Assume that I'm just assuming that that is the max value. Okay, so what I'm doing, integer max value is equal to integer dot minimum value. Whatever the minimum value, I have it here in this one. I am putting in the max value variable. Why I am putting in the max value variable? If Prakash salary, see, I am the max. Always, we always say this. I am the good. But you are the good mean, come to the competitions. Then showcase. If you are good, then you are the good. Similarly, I just created one value that is -2 147 483 648. That is a max value. I'm setting that. Now, with that, I'm going to compare the Prakash value. Now, which is the highest one, big one? Prakash one. Now, I'm going to compare the Prakash one to Maharasi one. Who is the biggest one? Maharasi one. Then I'm going to compare Maharasi one to Dinesh one. Then who is the bigger one? Still Maharasi. Then I'm going to compare the Maharasi one to Satish one. Who is the bigger? Satish one. So the comparison is starting from integer data type minimum to Prakash, then Maharasi, then Satish, then Dinesh, then Satish. So this is a comparison is keep happening. So that keep happening, right? Looping. The comparison is right. Decision making statement. Fetching the value, right? Mapping. That's what this example is used in map, decision making, looping statement. Now let's go by one. I take that. Hey, this value is a max value. I'm putting that. What is the value? This is a 1. Now I have to compare it. No, boss, we have so many big values also there. Then come and compare it. That is what. What is that? You already know about that, right? How to fetch this particular one. In the last week we saw that. What is that? Map dot entry. I told, right? Map dot entry means what actually? It's a unique element. What do you mean entry set? Collection of, what is that? Entire map. So I am taking the first set. What is the first set? Prakash 25. From that, I want to get only this value, right? How to get this value? Entry dot get value. What is the entry dot get value? 25. I am going to compare with this one. So 25 greater than the max value or not? Yes, it is greater than 25. Then what will happen? The max value is set from this value to 25. Then I am getting the key, max key. What is that? Prakash. Okay. But again, we cannot come to the conclusion, right? Prakash is a great, what is it, highest salary. We cannot come to the conclusion. Again, we need to check it, right? Then loop it. Fetch the second one. What is that? Maharasi one. That is, what is that? 27. 27 and comparing with the, what is that? The Prakash one. Is it greater? Get 27 is a greater one? No. It is not the greater one actually. Which one is it's a max value, it's a greater? No. Right? Think about it. Let me put the breakpoint here, okay? Let's take put the breakpoint, then we'll debug the program, okay? So that you will understand it. Let me put the breakpoint here. Let me debug the program. See that. First, what are the values are here? Dinesh, Satish, Marasi, Prakash. Right? Now, I'm going to the first one. What is that? I step over. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now, what is the first one here is? What is the max value? Right now, max key is null. What is the max value right now? This one. How this values came from? Because of this one. See that? This one. Okay. Now I'm going here. What is this actually? Entry dot get value. Let me go inside. What is that? It is just getting this particular. If you want to see here means just to right click and watch it. Value is 22. Whose value is 22? It is just checking Dinesh value. Now checking who's the greater one right now? Is the this value? This is 22. So who is, it's a condition is true. So obviously max value is 22. Let's see. See that? What is the max value? It's 22. What is associated key? Initially it was null, but if you run this line, then it will go to the Dinesh. Now who is max right now? Dinesh. Now we have to check another value also, right? Let me go one by one. Step over. I am going to get the next value. Let's see. What is the next value? Next value is 40. 40. This one is 22. This one is 40. Who is a max guy? Who is a max guy? This one. So automatically this 22 will be replaced. Max value is 40. Now let me go inside. What is the max value right now? 40. What is associated key? Satish. Now, we already compared 20t, we already compared, this two also compared. We are looking for this two. And you'll feel that bus. It is, it should come Prakash, Maharasi, Dinesh, Satish only, right? Why it is coming in random? Because this map is unordered. It's not ordered. So it will come randomly. Okay, that is a unit understand. The map is a key is unordered one. So let's go back. Next one, step over. What is the one it is going to compare? 27 with 40. Conditions true? No. Will it go inside? No. See that? It is didn't go inside. Next is step over. What is the next value? It is comparing the 25. Who is 25? Prakash one. So this is 40. This is 25. Conditions true? No. 25 is greater than 40? No, it's a smaller. So condition is false. Will it go inside? No. Now what will happen? Any more value? No. Nothing. No more value. Then what will happen? It will go out of that. What is the key right now? Satish. What is the value right now? 40. Then it will print. See that? Okay. So this is this kind of program they will ask it. Okay. This kind of program they may ask. What is the program here is write a program to find the key with the highest value. Highest value. Okay, team? Highest value. Okay, any doubt, team? Any doubt about this interview question? Hello, any doubt? We'll take two more interview questions, then we'll close the session, okay? Okay, then. Next one is reversing the string. Next one, what is the reversing the string? I have Canada. If I reverse it means what will happen? I have Canada, right? Assume that it's a string. Canada. If I reverse the string means what will happen? Okay, A, D, A, N, A, C. Okay, Canada. Right? How I did the reverse actually? How I'm reading right now? C, A, N, A, D, A. Canada I'm putting the right. Right now, how I reverse it actually? I start from here to here. So you are starting from 0 to the last element. Last element is nothing but the length of the element. Length of the string. Right? But in this one is how you reverse it one actually. You put it in the reverse one. Length of the string or last element to 0th one. That is what the reversal string. Okay, team? So if you start from here to here means what you will do? You will put plus plus. 0th element, first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, something you will keep going, right? Here is what you have to do. You have to start from how many character here is? 6 character, right? What you will do? What is the length of the string? It's a totally 6 character. So but it is a 0 based one, right? So you have to put it from start from fifth. Fifth is what is the fifth element? A. What is the fourth element? Then this one. 3, 2, 1, 0. That's a 1. Okay. So you always have to start from last element to 0th element. Okay, how to start from last element to this one? That is what. See, if we see here is string input is equal to Canada. Okay, you want to reverse it, right? The reverse string you need to get it, right? For that, we are using the line number 10. Okay, where to start? Last element. How to find the last element? Length of the string. The length of the string. Length of the string means what will return? It will return 6. Then what you have to do? You have to minus 1. Why we are doing the minus 1? Because minus 1 means because its arrays are starting from 0 onwards. So that's what 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So I am starting from 5. What is the fifth character here is? Fifth character is A. So A is coming. Then it will go, check it. Till what is that? What is the position? You have to go with till 0th. Fifth to 0th. So 5 greater than 0 condition is true. It will go. Input dot caret of. What is this caret? I already told. What is the caret of? Caret of 0. What is the caret of 0? What is the caret of 0? 0 means, sorry, caret of 5, right? Here is we are putting the 5, right? Number is 5. Caret of 5. What is the caret of 5? A, it will be done. Then what will happen? Caret of 4. What is that? D will be written. Then caret of 3. What will happen? A will be written. So similarly, it will go A, D, N, A, C. It will go there. So it's a reversal of string. What is the concept we used it here is simple caret method, simple looping statement. That's all. This is a reverse string. Any doubt about the reversing string? It's a reversing string. Work out this one, okay? It won't come easily. You have to work out. Okay. So tomorrow we'll talk about this property stuff, everything, okay? Property we'll talk tomorrow. Okay. Next one is word count. Word count means what actually? Here is welcome to Tirunelveli to Canada. Can we call it as this one is a word? Welcome is one word. To is another word. Tirunelveli is another word. To is another word. Canada is another word. Channel is another word. How many words are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Right? How can we count these words actually? Number of pair. How many words are there? How to count it actually? Very, very simple. What you have to do? This is a string, right? How you count it? How many words are here is actually? You just simply cut it. You simply cut it, right? So if you cut it that, then you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 something. How you are cutting this one? How you are cutting initially? Okay. How you are cutting this one? Because this is single string, we have some kind of space, right? This is space. Right? This is space we have, right? This space is you have to split it. You have to split it. So there is a method called the split. So what is the string here is input. So input dot split of. Okay, what do you have to do? If you want to split by space means what do you have to do? You have to use this one. Okay, this one is they are calling as the regex, regular expressions. What we are doing? Plus means it's a one or more spaces. Whatever the spaces are there, okay, one or more spaces we have, split it based on that one. If you split it means what will happen? You will get that it will be split into, it will split based on the white space. So you will get like welcome to Valley to Canada channel. You will get like this. So this is a more than one collection of characters. String, right? So we are going to store it in one string array. This output is, you'll get like this anyway. Then it's an array, right? So array, what is the length of this particular array? 6. So totally we have the 6 words are there. Getting team? Totally we have the 6 words. Okay, you're getting. So try this program. I'll share this program in the in the down the line sections. You try this program by debugging. You can try it. Okay, tomorrow, today or tomorrow, you can try it so that you will get more understanding. Because explanation is easy, while debugging only will come to that more idea. Any doubt, team? Before I wrap up today's session, any doubt? Okay, then I'll share this program. We'll look for some more interview questions for tomorrow. Okay, but this is, don't muck up the program. Put, understand the logic. Come with the real time. First, take that, convert into your real time example. Then whatever the logic we studied, we can apply on this one. Then debug the program so that it will be strong in your mind. Okay, today I'm using this welcome to Valley. Tomorrow you may use welcome to my room, my home, or welcome to Canada, welcome to India, anything. You can think about that. Instead of doing this one, you can put it like welcome dot star, right? How to split it this one? Getting. So that is also you can think about that. Welcome star. How to split it this thing? How many words are there? Think about it in different directions. Then you have to part star. Okay, team. Try it. Definitely it will it will work. If anything, then you email me too. Okay, so I'll look for that. Thanks a lot for your time. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.